Look, this boy was sitting comfortably in his car, eating some crunchy chips. Suddenly, he noticed a seagull sitting on the car's bonnet. He thought the bird might be looking for food, so he kindly threw a few chips for it, but the chips fell inside the car instead, so the seagull couldn't eat them. Then something unexpected happened. But before that,
Who would you choose, a mother's love or alcohol? If your answer is a mother's love, like this video and comment mom. If you choose alcohol, comment alcohol. Now let's see what you pick.
the seagull's beak was so strong that it broke the car window and grabbed the chip that had fallen inside.